Adding a shop button to your Instagram profile is a great way to increase sales and connect with potential customers. In this video, I will show you how to add a shop button to your Instagram profile in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to add a shop button to your Instagram profile. First of all, open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So in order to add a shop button to your Instagram profile, you need to have a professional Instagram account. To switch your personal profile to a professional account, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings screen, tap on the Account option over here, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Switch to Professional Account. After that, tap Continue for all of these, and then select a category that best describes you. So, for example, you can choose Entrepreneur, Product/Service, Beauty, Cosmetics, and Personal Care, a grocery store, or Shopping and Retail. So I'm simply going to select Shopping and Retail. And then choose Business, and tap on Next. So now you can add your contact information over here, such as your email, phone number, business address, and Instagram audio calling. I'm just going to skip adding those things. You can choose to connect with Facebook, but I'm also going to skip that. So now what you want to do next is to complete setting up your professional account on Instagram. So complete all of these 4 steps. Once you have completed every step, tap on the Edit Profile button over here. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on the Action buttons. So now you can add a button to order food, book now, or reserve. Simply go through these and select the one that best suits your business. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.